Hey, sweet friends, Miss Hendry here. All right, we're going to look at the color brown. B-R-O-W-N, brown. This is the color brown, and this teddy bear is the color brown. All right, here are some things that are brown. An acorn is brown. A teddy bear is brown. This box is brown, and this log is brown. Can you think of things that are brown around you? All right. Drag the X on the objects that are not brown. So Miss Hendry's going to show you how to do that. Remember, one day this game is going to be sent to you to play. All right. Acorns. Yeah, it's brown. A hen. She is not brown. She is white. A box. Yes, it's brown. This teddy bear. Brown. What about this log? Brown. What about this pickle? That's green. That's not brown. So we're going to cover that with an X. Good job, guys. Make sure that you look around your house and your room or even outside for things that are brown. Bye.